We just wrapped Capricorn Degrees 11 through 15. If you missed it, you can catch that chapter anytime. Today we're exploring Capricorn Degrees 16 through 20, step by step. For each degree, you'll hear the essence, how it moves, the shadow, and the Capricorn pillars to ground it in real life. Keep this handy as a guide you can return to whenever you need it. All right, let's begin. Capricorn 16 degrees. Make strength playful. Symbol: school ground filled with boys and girls in gymnasium suits. Essence: healthy structure includes joyful movement, so endurance and coordination grow through play. How it moves: it blends routine with games, sets clear rules and shared goals, and lets teamwork rise naturally. Shadow: grind without joy turns play into pressure and neglects the body until motivation collapses. Capricorn pillars of this degree. Sustainable discipline is fun. Structure supports vitality. Responsibility cares for the body. And fair play strengthens community. Capricorn 17 degrees. Let the body breathe again. Symbol: a repressed woman finds a psychological release in nudism. Essence: freedom comes through honest embodiment as we shed borrowed shame and live without hiding. How it moves: it loosens tight codes, meets sensation with respect, and practices simple exposure to the elements until ease returns. Shadow: rebellion for its own sake ignores context and consent, or flips shame into superiority. Capricorn pillars of this degree. Structure serves well-being. Disciplined honesty dissolves hypocrisy. Boundaries stay clear and compassionate, and responsible freedom restores dignity. Capricorn 18 degrees. Power with a moral rudder. Symbol: the Union Jack flag flies from a British warship. Essence: legitimate strength serves the common good when it is answerable to fairness and care. How it moves: it patrols with limits, pairs authority with accountability, and uses force last and lightly to protect dignity. Shadow: law and order becomes cover for dominance and privilege when overreach is dressed as duty. Capricorn pillars of this degree. Authority requires oversight. Structure protects rights as well as peace. Responsibility balances might with mercy, and durable order is built on trust. Capricorn 19 degrees. Small shoulders, real responsibility. Symbol: a 5-year-old child carrying a bag filled with groceries. Essence: early duty can awaken strength and pride when supported by sane limits. How it moves: it answers bravely, asks for just enough help, and learns by doing until skills feel natural. Shadow: pushing past healthy limits, adultifies children and confuses speed with maturity. Capricorn pillars of this degree. Structure scales with age. Mentorship shares the load. Discipline builds confidence, not exhaustion. And community care keeps duty humane. Capricorn 20 degrees. Join the unseen harmony. Symbol: a hidden choir is singing during a religious service. Essence: wholeness grows when we offer our part to a consecrated whole and trust the larger weave. How it moves: it tunes inward, then blends outward, listening and matching tone, so the group becomes more than its voices. Shadow: craving credit drowns coherence, while fear keeps needed notes unsung. Capricorn pillars around this degree. Structure enables unity through timing and roles. Disciplined service dissolves ego into purpose, and reverent collaboration turns talent into grace. Quick recap: 16. Playful strength. 17. Embodied freedom. 18. Power with a moral rudder. 19. Small shoulders, real responsibility. 20. Hidden choir and unified service. Thanks for learning Capricorn in real time with me. Next episode drops Monday, degrees 21 through 25. See you there.